Guys, it is 6:28 a.m. Just getting ready with some 70 music. Hi guys, good morning. 6:54. It's north? It's okay, hindi na ako. Mababa ko. Oh, mom. It's North Coast tour today, so. North Coast tour kami today. I'm just wearing a skirt, tas white na parang fluffy heat tech. Then a green vest. Bought all of this sa Unique lang. Yeah, we're so girly. Naka-skirt kami both. Not so much yet. Di ko pa nararamdaman. Taipei Main Station, Family Mart, East Gate 3.
Yung example. Sige, para doon na mismo.
East Gate 3 Family Mart. Try mo. Baka meron.
Taiwan.
It's cold.
Main
Parang
station?
parang 20 degrees yata palang today morning. East Gate 3. Family Mart. Try mo.
Sa Uber na tayo search.
Yun. Mag-Uber lang kami going to Taipei Main Station. Yes, gutom na ako, shit. Well, at least mas okay maaga tayo dun, tapos sa Family Mart na lang tayo kumain. Ang call time is 7:35? 45?
7:45.
45 to 8 ang max na pag-aantay. But alis na kami. Pas doon na kami kakain sa family.
Ayun.
Anywhere na lang sa gate 3. Basta malapit naman. Yes. But ayun. I'll see you guys there. Nasa Taipei Main Station. Oh, my hair.
Pero sa loob.
Ay, meron din pala sa loob.
Pero yellow lang doon.
Yellow flag daw. Sa Taipei Main Station na kami, guys. We're looking for the tour guide. Yellow. Let's see if makita natin. Mabilis lang naman yata. Hi guys. Ang oras ngayon ay 7:36. Nakuha na namin yung IDs namin for the Klook tour. Sa Klook lang kami nag-book. Wala akong affiliate ng Klook, but sa Klook na lang kayo para convenient. I think hanggang alas 8 yung antay. Ay, masarap siya. Kumain lang kami breakfast. Parang siyang pancake. Yeah, I mean pancake pala talaga siya. Alam mo yung lasa ng hotcake sa Pilipinas? Ganun parang buttery red.
Meron din na red eh.
Talaga? Buttery yung yung loob niya. Parang may margarine ba? Ganun.
Tsaka the good thing here is
Dalawang piraso.
Dalawang piraso siya.
Dalawang
Per balot. So kanina kinain ko is yung ham and egg.
Dalawa din ba?
Oo, dalawa talaga. Kinain ko lang siya to same time. So masarap.
Kaso dalawa silang from Klook. Yung isa doon, tas siya. Yan. So, ang tour guide namin ng name niya is Howard. Ang cute, ang bait niya. Yan. So guys, ang reality ng mga tours na nandito sa Taipei Main Station is like this. Sobrang dami. Lahat nandito sa Gate 3, East Gate 3. So, yan lang. Hindi nga, yeah. Waiting lang kami guys ng oras, tas for the go na yata. 7:37 pa lang kasi. I think 8 yata kasi aalis. Last call yung 8 AM. So, see you guys later sa bus. Bye! Good morning! Hi guys, nasa bus na kami. The time is 8:07. Nahirapan lang maghanap ng bus kanina, pero we're on the way. 1 hour daw yung biyahe to Chiffen, no? Chiffen muna. Chiffen waterfall muna daw. So, see you there. Here guys, walking lang to the waterfall. Maambon actually, but I think it's because of the ulan. Careful. Hi. Good morning. Ouch. Oh, yung tuhod ko. Kaya pala hinawakan mo agad ako.
Solo dyan na ba?
Tawagan ko yung mama ko. Kami ay nasa it's like a hanging bridge. We're at a hanging bridge. Papunta ng waterfall. Umambon. Ang lakas ng ambon, grabe. Grabe yung lakas ng ambon. Pero, feel like kasi it's the mountains. It's always like raining somehow.
Wait lang, we have...
Ito yung, gusto mo? Sabi nga. Ganda na ganitong lamig. The lamig is giving. Nice. Kaya siya parang 15 minutes lang kasi waterfall lang dito. And there's nothing else. It's like 9:11. We're gonna go back now. 9:50. So you're given like 15 minutes. So picture, enjoy the view and stuff. So when I get there, I'll show you guys the falls, the waterfall. Yeah, yung coldness, maganda. Parang ang sarap sa balat.
Hindi siya masakit sa ilong.
Hindi masakit sa ilo. Ano oras na? Actually, kung okay na tayo sa pictures and videos, pwede na tayong kumain tayo dun. We're done sa waterfall. Chiffen waterfall. We're gonna try yung sausage with turkey wrapped pork.
Kinain natin sa ano?
Oo nga. Try. How much kayo? Parang masarap din yung ganyan. Try kaya natin. Tig-isa. Try it. So it's like a sausage or something. Bumili kami ng pork pati may sausage. Yung inuki. Pork belly. Puro pork pala to sis. Wala na, kainin mo na.
Ito ko kasi.
May inuki kasi isa.
Isa may inuki. So, lulukoy ko na yung sarili ko din.
Sarap.
Hindi, masarap yung isa yung nakasilin ako. Kumuha na nga.
Kumakain ka lang ng pork eh. The fourth essential, guys. Cook. In the morning. 9:36.
Pero nakukulangan ako.
Sarap.
Itong sawa. Ako sige sa ulawan. Pero malasa siya sobra.
9:37. We have to be back ng 50. Speed run. Hi guys. We're walking to... Hingala ko dun ah. We're walking to Shifen. Yung town sa Shifen. Yung where you fly or like let go lanterns. We're not gonna do that because I've seen a lot of TikTok videos of the lanterns falling sa mga forests. So, not a big fan. But if you want to do that, tas nag-look kayo, you can do it through them though. I think they have someone or like a place na for them talaga. May family mart to.
Oo.
Mas malaking family mart yun.
Daanan natin sa kanila.
Yeah. So, we're just walking there. Crossing. Yeah, we're walking, so here. Let's see what's here to see. Let's see what's here to see. What's here to see? Talaga ba?
Let's see what's here.
My English is not giving na ha. Hiningal ako dun sa pag nagmamadali kasi.
So this is the Sulat House. Okay? And later on I will take everybody go inside to our calendar shop and then it's your okay? And remember, as always, combat is simple. Okay? Combat is simple all the way to here.
Kung nandito sila Jamie, maliligaw
So
yan.
what's our meeting time?
Nag-clip na ako kasi initan ako kanina. But we're in the Shifen Street. Yay! Teo! Ang dami, Teo. Postcard. We're looking at pasalubong that are here in Shifen. Sobrang daming magnets. Magnets yung uso na pasalubong.
Son, corgi oh.
Ming Ming oh Ming Ming! Sticker yata. Waterproof sticker.
Bili tayo, 30 lang.
30. Ito gusto ko. Ming Ming.
Bibili ba kayo?
Oo, may Ming Ming eh. Teo! Keychain! Ming Ming! Corgi oh! Corgi oh! Corgi!
Ito, kitchen na lang pala.
Uy! Wala, wag mo ipamigay yung pera mo.
Isa na yung pang ano sa...
So, I have this magnet. It's the lanterns. May shot glass oh. Shot glass for my bro. What is for my brother? Then I have a magnet. Picture as mga stage mom. Yan, stage mom. I don't know if I look okay, but tinali ko kasi yung hair ko kasi ang init kanina. But, ayan. Babalik kami ng 55, 10:55. It's 10:21 right now. So we're just gonna look around more.
Yeah.
Cute! We're just gonna watch people fly lanterns. T-shirts sis. Ayun dun sa tawid doon, parang cute yung t-shirts nila. Parang cute yung shirts nila dun. Or same lang ba yun? Ito. Ata? Ay hindi. Yung may shot glass. Oh, meron. Pero hindi like everyday. Rachacha. Diyan na may daanan doon. Doon tayo. Matcha! Matcha! One piece 100. Piki! May nakita na kaming matcha for you. 100. Ito yung dalawa.
Sagot mo tayo. Ay, 6 pieces pa.
Ay, sige. Tig 250 na lang tayo.
Balikan natin. Tapos tingin muna tayo.
Sige. We found matcha. Ay, okay naman pala yung hair ko. Hey guys. This is the fit. A green vest, a white long sleeve, long turtleneck, and then a skirt. Again, walking. So, yung nakita kaming matcha doon, pero lanterns. Pero meron naman doon kumukuha. Group na taga-kuha. Because dami talagang ganyan. Kanina pa kami actually naghahanap ng matcha. I mean, yesterday pa. Pero wala kami makita. Mas magandang ganda. Maybe I should buy my mom this because it's nice. May zipper siya, Zay.
Actually, meron siya kahapon. Pero isa na lang kasi yun. Binili
Yung design, no? Ay, mas ang ganda. How much? Does it say how much? Ask mo siya. Yan. Actually, tapos na guys. Nag-video, picture, nagtingin na rin kami ng mga pasalubong.
Isa pa nga, son. Sorry. Hindi pala ako na.
Walking, back to the bus. I think next is ano next natin? Jufen? Last ba ang Yelyu? Or Yelyu muna? Last. Okay. Smile. Video. 1 hour. We are going to Jufen. 1 hour daw travel. Let's go. We'll get back to you guys when we're back. We're in Jufen. So, hi guys. Time is 11:45. We are going to Jufen. Since weekend daw ngayon, wala daw. Di daw pwede yung mga tour bus going up, I think, or going down. So, may commuter bus na need bayaran. So, ayan. Waiting lang kami sa pila. Waiting lang sa pila, yan. You guys again later. We're walking papunta sa Chopin Old Street. Medyo maambol. Family Mart. Pero the cold, it's bearable, guys. Naka-skirt nga ako eh. We're here. We're walking inside na of Chopin Old Street. Busa tuloy hair ko. Ayun na yung flag ni Howard yung tinahanap ko. Traffic guys, traffic. So nandito na kami sa photo spot. True science spot. But here, yung iconic lang. This is it, guys. Hi guys. Halong pagod. Kami ay nasa Chopin Street, Old Street. Sarap. Ano natin yung ano. Yay! It's called Golden 1889. Crap. Just milk tea. Meeting time namin ulit is 1:45. Waiting lang kami. It's 12:54 ngayon. Eating to ano time na lang.
Siya sa pambabae daw.
Inaangasan.
May dalawa sa CCTV. Hindi wala lang po. Legit.
Hi guys. It's 2:04. We're waiting for like the bus pababa sa shuttle. Nakabarabela. Yell you yung next. So I'll bring you there. Hey guys. We're walking to Yell-You right now. So my forehead. Naka-jacket na si Edward. Si Edward. IT natin yan, di ba? Si Howard. Walking pa din. Still walking. Nalobat na yung Osmo Pocket. I mean, mayroon pa naman, but palubat na siya. So, using this one. Aray! Yun guys, we're walking to the Queen's Head. It's a bit of a long walk, but also umabot na naman. Umabot na naman. Yan guys, look at that, it's so nice. So pretty. So many rock formations.
不是海军的，不是巡防舰。
This side also. Really nice. It's drizzling again. The Venice tree. Wow, grabe yung lakas ng waves. Look at the waves. Solid. That's it, guys. Pila ka na doon. Pila ka doon. Nakapila na kami, guys. Take a picture sa Queen's Head.
Kasama namin si Kuya.
Saan nag-hide din siya?
Kasama namin siya. Siya yung fourth member. Kung ang
Fifth
Blackpink,
Harmony.
merong fifth member na hindi pa nire-reveal dito din.
Oh, magdi-disband na lang yung Blackpink. Hindi pa na-reveal yung fifth member.
Go DK.
Go DK, go DK, go. When? The line is long, guys. To take like 5 minutes. We're going back to the bus. The meetup time ulit is 4:30. It's currently 4:20. Let's see. After this, we're just gonna rest konti. Then, we're gonna go to Ximending again. Kasi, we didn't try a lot of things. But, we're gonna try a lot. We're gonna try more. So, yeah, yun. Babalik kami sa bus. And, let's see. I'll see you guys when we get on the bus ulit. Hi, guys! So, tapos na yung North Coast tour. Nasaan na kami? Ximending Night Market ulit. Kasi, di ba, I said earlier, dami namin hindi na-try. So, we're gonna walk around again. Kasi if we go home to the hotel, baka tama rin ako. However, na to. Oh! So, let's see what we get to eat. Hey, guys! May babalik yan. Ayun siya. May ito pagdating dun. Nasa ano kami? Laoshan Dong. So it's yung beef noodles, handmade. So, ayan. We just wanna taste it because we saw it on TikTok. So, let's see if it tastes good. So, yeah. See, I keep looking at the viewfinder, but I have to look at the camera. So, yeah. We're seated, guys, and look at this. Let's see if it's good.
Walang anghang? Daw naman. Dami ko lang sinalo eh.
Yes, optimal lighting. Tingnan mo yung itsura ko dito. Parang naano na yung noo ko. Hey guys. So, nasa ano kami? Yung crispy milky donuts. Ang haba ng pila. Parang 20 minutes na ito. Pero malapit na. So, let's see if it tastes good. Hi guys, nakagata na namin pero crispy milk donuts. Masarap siya. Medyo matamis nga lang. Medyo.
Hindi naman siya yung OA na magsasawa ka kagad.
Ang cute ng trend na yan. Pauwi na kami ng hotel, guys.
7:46. Early garahe kasi maaga tomorrow.